So I'm in the yard now. It's kind of crazy that we're doing this right now because it's like we only have 3 hours of daylight and we got to do this tree. It's just a house. That's not the tree though. The tree's over here. Right over there. We gotta get that one down. Today we've only got well, it's like a little bit after 12 right now. We've got like 2.5, 3 hours. If you take a little closer look at it, that one's in the way. That guy's in the way a little bit. So what we're gonna have to do here is figure out what we're gonna do. Go up there first and then just take the stuff off. Move the branches away back into their yard. And somehow deal with this culprit here that's keeping all that branch is just stuck in there. It's all stuck up in there. It's a stuck up tree. See what we can do. You can see it from here. There it is. Next to the house.
Next to the house. Next to the house.
Fortunately, kind of a funny way, my son did not get me climbing that tree. So you just get to see the results of it. But I promise I did.
I promise I did climb this tree.
It's the part of the branches there that we put here. And another pile of branches. And there is the tree. No longer there. Anyway, so what we'll do today is we'll cut it up in 35, 40 centimeter pieces. And then we'll drop this. We'll drop this one, the stem, or that big old stump right over here. We've made a cushion for it. The sun's in the way, you can't really see that, but we've made a cushion out of branches, nice and flat. We've made a cushion out of branches, nice and flat. We'll see that thing come down pretty soon.